Philippine Eagle is here. Presenting the new Cebu Pacific Airbus A320. Highly advanced, exceptionally comfortable, and right on time. Cebu Pacific.
Italians have mastered the art of coffee. And Dolce Gusto has mastered the art of copying Italians. From frothy cappuccinos to perfect espressos, drinks so authentic that they might just make you feel more Italian.
For muscle pain and discomfort, i-Haplos ang Efficacent Oil. Tested and trusted ang Efficacent Oil.
Sa Haplos lang, Efficacent Oil, okay ka na. Haplos, ayos!
Oh, I love Gardenia.
Bursting with California raisins and raisin juice. So tasty, soft, and flavorful. Gardenia California Raisin
I
Loaf.
love you so much.
Masarap kahit walang palaman.
Oh, I love Gardenia.
Bursting with California raisins and raisin juice. So tasty, soft, and flavorful. Gardenia California Raisin Loaf.
I love you so much.
Masarap kahit walang palaman.
They are married. They work together. And they are after 75 million pieces of gold. Just not the gold he was expecting. New Magnum Gold, Madagascar vanilla ice cream and caramel covered in golden dipped milk chocolate.
You knew about all this.
New Magnum Gold, as good as gold.
Mare, may bagong Tide Bar. Double action. Di raw madaling matunaw. Aber, 2, 3, 4 na oras. Ang iba, lusaw na. Pero ang Tide, buo pa. Double action. Subukan nyo. Ibang klase to.
O anak, paghatian niyo itong 1 dosenang Dunkin' Donuts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. May Dunkin' Donuts ako!
Basta Dunkin' Donuts, masarap i-share. Masarap ding suluhin. Magpasalubong na ng 1 dosena.
Ang programang ito ay rated LPG. Labis na patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring makapaminsala pag napabayaan habang nagluluto ng sinigang, adobo, batchoy, okoy, ginataan. Ilayo sa mga bata na hindi mapaglaruan.
Kauna-unahan sa Pilipinas. Manila Broadcasting Company. DZRH. Member, kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.